Hi, I just want to check with you a couple of things here and before I send it to the client. So my first question will be, there was an inquiry to remove rent option, and I believe you did that for Waterloo because it's only said for sale. But what we need to do is also do it for the Kitchener. As you can see, there's a word for rent, so please remove that, and also for the Cambridge. Okay, and also in the map search, there's also for rent. So if you can remove that for rent as well, it will be great. Next, when it comes to the map search, I know it is a map of the Waterloo and Kitchener, which shows if you, let's say, refresh the page a couple of times on the home page and then go to the map search. And sometimes it works, sometimes not. I'm not sure why is this going on. I will try one more time just to show you. Again, nothing. So I have to go again, refresh the page, go to a map search. Again, nothing, but there is sometimes when it is working. I'm not sure what the bug is here. Now it's working, as you can see. This is what the client wants. So if we can just check this to see what's going on, remove this for rent as well. That's good. Let me see what else. Yes, when it comes to testimonials, this is great. You bring it back. Not sure if you can make this photo to be in line with the first testimonials. It will be great if you can. If not, not a problem. And maybe you can move these to also a little bit up here so it can be visible to a visitor. And yeah, I think that's all that. Let me just check if this is done. Yes, it's opened on the new. Okay, so please just check, remove the rent from these communities and from the map search, and check if map search can populate like this on the first attempt. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.